Where are we heading next?
We're going to Asmara Palace.
We're dipping to Asmara Palace Hotel. So we're heading to Asmara Palace Hotel with our GPS.
No.
Come on, man. You know the city,
So?
right?
Yeah.
Where is it? Where is it? How far is it? Come on now, be honest. Tell us how far it actually is. Where are we heading to right now?
Make sure you know where you're going, UL?
Yes, I know where I'm going.
People usually just say go straight here. That's all. Your direction is always straight.
All the directions are just straight.
And then we're going left.
Okay, just straight and then left.
Yes, left.
There's like,
we go away.
but there's something huge right in front of us. This is not straight, bro. We're leaning to the left.
Yeah.
But this is not straight. You just told us to go straight.
Apparently, according to UL, everything's just straight.
Yes.
Now our GPS is kind of whack, guys.
Excuse me.
No, it's alright. Are we gonna go left right now?
Yes, straight.
We're going straight.
You're looking at it right now.
I'm not looking at it.
You're looking at it.
Wait. Did
What
you
is
just?
this place called?
He said 10 minutes, and he said I can look at Asmara Palace Hotel. Where is it? This is not 10 minutes.
It is 10 minutes.
No, this is not 10 minutes. We're 5 minutes in right now.
And you think?
Yeah, this is not 10 minutes at all.
Let me guess.
All right,
We need to start this video.
I started when we were inside the ice cream store.
Inside.
Yeah, inside the ice cream
And you should
store.
have put it when you out.
Yeah, but it's still 5 minutes in. You said 10 minutes. This is not 10 minutes.
It depends on how you walk. That's why.
I'm walking as slow as I can. I'm walking like a turtle, exactly.
I thought it was so it's on you.
It's not on me. Where is it now?
We're walking.
You can already see it?
He said I can see it, but I can't see it. I don't have my glasses on.
What, you blind or something?
Yeah.
I said you're looking at it.
Where is it?
Right in front of you.
That's it? That's Asmara Palace?
Here's the big one.
That's not 10 minutes at all, brother.
Oh, for the love of God.
That's not 10 minutes, brother.
Okay,
This is like,
Like,
we literally just walked like what? Like 1 minute? That's it.
I think they say 10 minutes because we can't walk there, right? Is that the reason?
I ain't saying shit. Come on, man. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me.
Look at the view, guys. Everywhere you go here has
Beautiful view.
Yeah, right?
This is why I prefer
I'm
walking.
telling you guys,
Then ride a bike.
the most
Right.
beautiful place. Like
Yeah.
everywhere you go, there's like art everywhere. Like everything you see is just art. It's beautiful.
And everything like literally has a history behind it, right? Everywhere you walk, like when you find people like someone that actually lives here, it tells you this was like done 7,000 years ago or something like that. What? Not thousands, 100
Not
years
that
ago.
far,
Yeah, not that far. I
Is
exaggerated.
it that far,
You
UL?
just made it up. Or...
No,
You're just
okay.
making
How
that
long
up.
has this house been done for?
What?
This house, right in front, like on the left side of me.
Almost 50 or 60 years. I think.
Oh, see, you were close.
I
you
was close. 7,050.
What?
Really
Wait,
close.
You said 7,000?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not close.
But yeah, still, but kind of close, right?
Yeah, almost.
Kind of better than not being
I
close.
think 50. No, I think I don't think that thing's 50.
50, yeah, come on, 50.
Let me guess.
Help me out, bro. You can't do that. You can't embarrass me in the camera.
Yes.
Stop embarrassing me in the camera.
Who cares?
Where's Asmara Palace Hotel?
Are we there yet?
Yeah,
You keep on saying you're looking at it. Where is it? I don't look at it.
Oh, come on, man. For the love of God.
Why are you putting me inside?
Now you're looking at it.
No.
Yo, where's the rest of the crew?
It's in
Why are
front
they
of
all behind?
The big ass palace.
Moses, say it.
What the big ass
Are
building?
we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Yeah, we're there. Just 4 minutes.
5 minutes?
Kidding.
How the hell can you see it?
Yo, I think I saw it. I saw it. I can see it. Yeah. It's that tall building right there, right?
Yes.
I still can't see. Oh, that's it?
Shit,
Yeah.
Long side shit or something?
Isn't it
No,
called
not
palace?
he
It's
has.
not a palace?
Yes, that's
No, Moses, it's not literally a palace. It's just a hotel.
That's why they call it a palace.
Yeah. No. A
Well,
palace.
eventually, it's actually intercontinental.
Yeah,
One of the biggest hotels in the world.
what was it called again?
Intercontinental.
Internet Continental?
Intercontinental.
Oh, okay.
Come on,
It's
man.
called Intercontinental
Intercontinental.
Hotel.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Okay, my bad, my bad.
Come on, man. Or you just make me look bad.
No, of course not.
So?
I just guessed. I actually thought I heard that. My bad.
Aha.
Yo, why are you guys so far?
Oh.
Come on, guys. If you guys keep on walking this slow, we'll never reach.
So fast.
No, you guys are actually walking too slow.
Oh my God.
Come on. We had a beautiful conversation with the...
Fast.
No, we're not walking fast. We're walking... If you guys walk like this, I don't think we'll ever reach, guys. Come on. Didn't walk slower than a turtle.
No, I walk
Like,
fast,
honestly, guys.
I'm actually
Yeah, now you're
fast.
starting to walk fast.
No, I'm actually
You're
really
catching
fast.
out.
It's just that. It's like I'm split.
You're
My mind's
catching
split into two. I have to take care of you guys.
Why do you
and I
have to take care of us?
people in the back.
Why do you have to take care of us?
Because everyone knows I'm the responsible one. I
You're
have
not
to take
responsible for shit. The
Yeah,
responsible one
responsible.
usually bees in the front.
care- No, I'm in the
Yeah.
middle to take care of the people in front and people behind me.
You were behind everyone. You're not responsible at all.
Should have got glasses.
Glasses for what?
I can't see. My eyes are sensitive.
Come
to
on,
light.
you're just being.
I swear to God. I swear
Come on,
my
it's
eyes are
not.
sensitive to sunlight. I swear to God.
It's not that
I'm not
sunny.
kidding.
It's not that sunny, guys.
I swear I need my nail.
Yeah, I'll say it for the millionth, gazillionth time. Billion, whatever number, whatever big number there is. It's usually hot, so hot in the morning.
And then it gets cold.
And then it gets cold.
And then your nose starts being runny.
Yeah. So if you like go out in the morning, you have to take a jacket on your hand. You don't wear it, you just get it with you. Yeah, how long do we have to walk for?
We just got here.
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Eritrea, everything is 10 minutes. Even if it's 50, 1 hour, 2 hours,
Depending on
it's
the
10
camera.
minutes.
You're just filming right now. How much?
It's been 6 minutes.
6 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minus 12, that's 7 minutes. Let's go, quick math.
Quick math. You kidding me?
All right, we're gonna cross the street. Oh, how about the zebra line, guys?
Oh, there's a zebra.
Bro,
Dude,
Okay,
you live
there's a
here.
Okay.
You live here.
you're
I
gonna
know.
get us killed over
Then,
here.
shut.
Yes, and we finally arrived to our destination, guys. This is Asmara Palace Hotel, guys. We reached. We're almost there, D. Moses! It actually took 10 minutes.
Really?
He was right. It actually took 10 minutes. Yo, you're better than Google Maps, man. Your estimation is on point. Better than Google Maps.
I'm right all the time.
Yeah, man.
Legit.
Alright, me.
This is Asmara Palace Hotel, guys. It's so beautiful. This is the view.
Welcome to Asmara Palace.
Guys, I don't know if this camera is doing justice, but this view is amazing in real life. Look at this view. Look at this view. This is the inside of Asmara Palace Hotel. I hope I'm doing justice. You guys need to see it in real life. It is way better.
When they do the music, they bring like the live band and everything like that.
Yeah.
We're invited over here Friday, so they'll come check it out. It's called the Green Club.
Opens 7 days a week.
This is the band that's going to be playing. They're going to start 7:30 p.m.
What are they called?
The Ra'i or Ra'e. I'm not sure. Correct me, guys. The Ra'i or Ra'e band.
Yeah.
Free entrance. It's unbelievable.
Look at that, guys. This is the indoor swimming pool, guys.
We're now heading out of Asmara Palace Hotel. It was a great experience. We just paid like for Wi-Fi and drinks and food and stuff.
Yeah. So where are we heading now, man?
We're headed to our friend's house.
How was Internet Palace Hotel, D?
How was Internet Palace Hotel?
How was, what is it called?
Asmara Palace.
How was the Asmara Palace Hotel?
Not good.
Tell us your honest
It
opinion.
wasn't a good experience for me. My
Why was
internet,
it-
mine wasn't working. I couldn't load my
Come
WhatsApp.
on, it's obviously, something's obviously wrong with your
I couldn't load my
phone.
WhatsApp messages. I barely uploaded on
Did you
Instagram.
upload on Instagram?
I did, only 2.
Well, I couldn't upload on
2
Instagram.
stories. I'm so mad. I couldn't load my Snapchat filters.
You're what?
Snapchat filters.
Who cares about Snapchat
I want to
filters?
use
Come
them.
on.
I want to use my Snapchat filters and I can't load them. I'm so upset.
We all were using it perfectly, guys. We
Can't
all
use
went
mine.
in
I
our
have to
Instagram
use- I
accounts.
have to
We
borrow
uploaded
Gina's phone for
pictures.
Snapchat to use Snapchat filter.
Do you even know where you're walking?
No, we're going in Dakuya.
Oh, Dakuria. We're heading in Dakuria right now to our cousin's house.
It
It's
hasn't
not a
been
long
a good
walk.
day for me, to be honest.
Come on.
Yeah.
Why hasn't it been a good
Because I
day?
hit my hand. I
Yeah.
almost
Oh yeah,
chopped
she
off my
slammed.
finger.
She
I slammed the door on my fingers.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Ouch, right?
How many minutes left, you 10?
Like 7 minutes left. Crossing the street.
We randomly walked into our cousin. This is how you find people in the street. You randomly find your cousins in the street. My cousin. This is my cousin. Uncle. This is my uncle.
my God.
This is how Eritrea is, guys. You randomly just walk into your uncle, to your cousin, to your nephew. Whatever it is, you just find people randomly. We just walked into a fancy ass neighborhood. I'll show you guys the fancy neighborhood I'm talking about. It's really beautiful. Oh, they're still saying hi.
Takes a really long time.
Takes a really
Takes about like 5 to 3, like maybe maximum 1 minute.
yeah, in the middle of the street too.
Welcome to the Korea.
Where is in the
You're looking at the school.
This area is called the Korea.
Yeah, look at it.
You're looking at the hospital.
Where are the Koreans?
No, don't Korean.
No, this is the place where the Koreans built.
Oh, okay.
what street?
This is the school.
Korea.
This is the school you're looking at. Brother, this is the school. Oh, the Basabo school.
Alright, so everyone that lives here goes to this school, right?
Most of them.
Most of them, not necessarily everyone.
Yeah, actually, it's only the intellectuals getting there. How'd you find that?
It's amazing, man. Where's your house?
Almost there.
Still searching for your house.
It's not searching. I know my house.
You're searching for your own house, bro. That's kind of humiliating.
Oh, come on, man. I know my own house, okay? I know my own house.
The plug is here, GPS. If you guys need anything, he'll take you guys to everywhere within 10 minutes. Maximum
liar.
10 minutes. Anywhere you guys want to go, 10 minutes.
Lies.
Right?
Lies.
Yeah, come on, man.
Lies.
Whoa, look at that, G.
Look at all those chickens.
You dumbass mother.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay.